Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's dive into the day's market developments that have unfolded in a blend of trade tensions and economic uncertainties. The US's imposition of a 25% tariff on Indian exports has sent ripples across our markets, pushing key benchmarks like the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex to 3-month lows. Analysts warn that a potential 50% tariff could significantly impact trade flows and trigger a short-term market reaction. However, the Reserve Bank of India maintains its GDP growth forecast for the year at 6.5%. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee remains steady against the US dollar, showing a limited reaction to the ongoing trade friction. Sectors like textiles, gems, and jewelry are particularly susceptible to further downside pressure. In a rare bright spot, PVR Inox experienced a 4.2% rise after posting a narrow quarterly loss, offering some respite amidst the gloomy market landscape. Moving beyond our borders, Asian equities showed mixed reactions with gains in Taiwan, Indonesia, South Korea, and Thailand but a slip for the Philippines due to concerns over semiconductor exports. The peso remained unchanged while the US dollar weakened against major peers due to soft jobs data reinforcing expectations of a US rate cut. In an interesting development, foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, offloaded a record $2.27 billion worth of Indian IT stocks in July. This sell-off is attributed to lackluster earnings and a weak demand outlook within the IT sector, pushing total FPI outflows to a 5-month high of $2.02 billion. Despite these challenges, the market's near-term texture appears fragile, facing pressure from Trump's tariff offensive and underperforming June quarter earnings. The looming deadline for a US-China tariff agreement keeps markets uncertain, with potential turmoil in global supply chains if no deal is reached. In conclusion, the escalating trade tensions between India and the US, coupled with economic uncertainties, could potentially impact our economy and financial markets. As always, stay informed and make prudent investment decisions based on the latest market trends. We'll be here to keep you updated. Until then, happy investing.